Hi. In this video, I'll show you how to add a passkey in Binance security settings. First, open the Binance homepage and make sure you're logged in to your account. This is where all security settings are managed. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap the hamburger menu icon. This will open the main navigation panel. Now, at the top of the menu, tap on your profile section where your nickname is displayed. This takes you to your account overview. From here, find and select Security. This is where Binance keeps all important protection options for your account. Inside the Security menu, scroll until you see Passkeys and tap on it. Then choose Add Passkey and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm using your device's secure authentication method, like biometrics or a screen lock. One important thing to remember: if you ever delete your passkey, withdrawals and P2P features on Binance may be temporarily unavailable for up to 24 hours. This is a normal security measure to protect your funds. Hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to my channel not to miss next videos.